Hello students, today we are starting the basic course of Microsoft Windows. In this lecture, I shall provide some basic knowledge of computer, hardware, software and different parts of computer. I'll not go in detail, but I'll provide some information that would be handy if you are a beginner. So let's start our lecture. What is computer? A computer is an electronic device that can store and process data. The data is processed in binary form according to the instructions given to it. Data means whatever you feed in it. It can be in text form, picture form, video form, or whatsoever. The data is processed in computer in the form of binary. Binary means 0 and 1. What is hardware? There are two main components of computer, hardware and software. What is hardware? All the physical components of a computer are called hardware. For example, RAM, electronic wiring and hard disk. What is software? Software is the program and other operating information used by a computer. Moreover, there are two types of software. Number one, system software. It includes MS Windows, Linux. These are the operating systems. And the second type is application software. MS Office, Photoshop, InPage. These are the softwares which are installed once the operating system is completely functional. What are the input units? It means the part of a computer or device with which a user can transmit data or instructions to a computer is called input unit. This input can be in the form of audio or video. For example, mouse, camera and keyboard. These are the devices with which we give instructions to the computer. What are the output units? A device or part of a computer that gets data or output from the computer to the user is called output unit. Simply, it shows the output or result. For example, monitors, printers, microphones and headphones. Whatever you do, the output is received to the monitors, printers or microphones. So these are called output units. The central processing unit. Central processing unit is the device part of computer that deals with the instructions of the computer program. It deals with the basic logical information and arithmetic functions. It deals with the input and provides the output to the user. In short, we can say that it is the brain of the computer. So this is the unit where all the mathematical and logical operations are completed. So it is called the brain of the computer. Thank you.